Welcome back. In international news, severe thunderstorms continue in Central America and large hail and more tornadoes are possible. Since Monday night, there have been more than 24 reports of tornadoes in various parts of the U.S. heartland. One ripped through Clinton, Missouri, Wednesday evening. In addition, a hailstorm hammered parts of Kansas on Wednesday, smashing car windows and leaving homes heavily damaged. The extreme weather has also included flooding. High waters was also an issue in Michigan, with a flood watch and flash flood watch put into effect for parts of west central Michigan. Several residents have been recounting their experiences.
And I honestly, the winds were so bad, I honestly was like, oh my gosh, like, is this going to be like a drop? Like, did it drop somewhere? Is there a tornado somewhere? It was crazy.
It started getting like louder and just really coming down. And then we look out and it was huge. It was like that. And I've lived in Kansas all my life, grew up in Chase County. So, I mean, we know tornadoes, we know storms, but that's the biggest hail that I've been around.
And the primetime. What just happened?
I have no idea.
The primetime news packet continues with sports.
After this break.